India has seen many big scams, and I'm going to make shorts on top 10 scams of all time in India. Here is number 3 scam, that is scam 2003 Telgi stamp paper Ghotala. Abdul Karim Telgi was born in Belgaum, Karnataka in 1961, and this scam spanned across 12 states and estimated to the amount of 30,000 crore plus. He started with making false or fake passports and documents for laborers going to Saudi Arabia, and later he started printing counterfeit stamp papers. He appointed 300 people as agents who sold the fake stamps paper to bulk purchasers including banks, insurance companies and stock broking firms. He was a little Romeo type also. Once he showed rupee 90 lakh on one bar girl in Topaz Bar at Grand Road, Mumbai. As per reports by the Financial Times in 2003, between 1992 and 2002, at least 12 cases related to these stamps were registered against Telgi, but no action was taken for many years. Finally, on 17 January 2006, Telgi and several associates were sentenced to 30 years rigorous imprisonment. Interestingly, Telgi reportedly continues his operations from prison, and in 2017, the Maharashtra High Court convicted 2 prison officials for supplying mobile phones to Telgi, according to the Quint. Now, Telgi finally passed away on October 23, 2017 after multiple organ failures at Victoria Hospital, and that's the end of the story.